Hey guys, welcome back to Kiwanna's Kitchen. I'm Kiwanna. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all on how I make white chocolate hot chocolate bombs using white chocolate, cocoa powder, and regular white chocolate. So, if you want to see how I make these white hot chocolate bombs, keep watching. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is start to chop up your chocolate or cut up your chocolate. I am using white chocolate bark. You can use white baking chocolate if you want for your hot chocolate bombs, or you can use white chocolate chips for your white chocolate hot chocolate bombs. That's totally up to you. So again, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to get the chocolate into my bowl here after we get it chopped up, and then I'm going to cut the pieces smaller because we need to melt this. Just like this right here, and you can see here it melt a lot quicker and smoother, and you don't have to worry about in and out. The smaller the pieces, the quicker it will melt. So here is my silicone mold. I did buy these on Amazon. So you want to go ahead and just coat the inside of your sphere with a layer of chocolate. I went on with a total of 4. Okay, you can definitely adjust those to your liking, to how thick you want your hot chocolate bombs to be. But again, I went on with 4 because I just love mine to be nice and stiff. Okay, I don't want to chance any cave-ins or my chocolate starting to melt because we touch it, because you know we are some hot, humans or whatever, and our hands are a bit hot, and that temperature will make your chocolate bomb start to kind of melt a bit. And I just like mine to be nice and stiff, but again, you can definitely adjust this to your liking. So after I did this, I did get it into the fridge to set after each time I coat it. So this right here is the white chocolate cocoa powder that I'm going to be using. I did buy this on Amazon because I felt since we are making white chocolate bombs, why not use white chocolate cocoa powder? So if you want to use regular cocoa powder, you can, and still just make the white chocolate bombs. That's totally up to you, but I want it white and white. So yeah, so now we're just making our edges nice and smooth before I go in with my cocoa powder and also the marshmallows. Again, if you want to go in with crushed peppermints, you definitely can do that as well. You can add in some salted caramel. You can add in anything you want into these hot chocolate bombs. That's totally your choice, but I'm just going in with the cocoa powder and marshmallows. And then I did the same thing to the top. I rubbed it on the plate because the plate is heated, and I just wanted the edges to be nice and smooth. So after I got that on top, I went around with my finger and just kind of sealed everything in, and gave it a good shake because lately, since I've been making these, I just like to kind of mix things up a bit, but that's totally up to you. You don't have to shake it. It's just what I do. But you guys can see there, they turned out perfect. So what I want to do as well, to add a little decoration, I am going to drizzle on a little white chocolate because they are completely white hot chocolate bombs. Okay, so I'm going to drizzle on some white chocolate just for added decoration. You can use chocolate bark. You can use whatever color you want, okay? So, of course, you guys know I had to do a demo for you guys so that you can see of how this little baby is going to react or act or whatever. And that's pretty much, it's just going to explode. All of the marshmallows and the cocoa powder are just going to come out as it heat up. And, yeah, guys, it's just totally awesome. Okay, so you guys see there, so I just gave it a good mix with a spoon, and I had me a good cup of hot cocoa powder. So I truly hope you guys enjoyed my video of me showing you how I make white chocolate hot chocolate bombs. If you enjoyed my video, please give my video a thumbs up, support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.